I want y'all to like and subscribe. If y'all find this video appealing, send it to somebody who you think might need it. I want everybody to get about that sleeper bump. I know y'all done drove 10 hours. I know. But hey, it's time to start focusing on your credit, man. Especially being a trucker out here. I know you drive 10 hours and, you be tired, whatever. But you're not that tired. You know why? Because you still watch videos, you still watch shorts, and you're still on YouTube. So you got time to take some of that time and put it in something that's going to be worthwhile. I know when I was when I first started out, my credit was shit. I'm not even gonna lie. It was, it wasn't even much where it needed to be at. But then I had to actually focus and understand what credit was. So once I started to do my due diligence, I started to understand that, the credit mix, revolving credit, and different ways that they add up your credit score. The best thing you can do is to see where you at, right? Get your Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. At least get that printed out so you can see where you at. Once you see where you at, then you can see what you go do. And some stuff you can pay off, some stuff you can negotiate. Just try to see what you can do, right? Once you pull them three. Once you pull them three, oh man, you get to see everything, So once you get that going, then like I told you, negotiate, pay some of the stuff off. Come on, man, you a trucker. You got that money. You can't sit up on that money. A lot of y'all don't have houses, you don't have apartments, you don't have cars, you ain't got no child support. All your kids grown, you just stacking money up. Man, you can't take that money with you, man, whenever you die. So start using that money for something that's going to benefit you in the future. Because maybe you're a company driver right now, and maybe you saving up to get your own truck. That's cool. That's business credit now. That's a whole nother video. But always remember, when they do your business credit, they go peek at your personal credit. So while you got the time now, you sit back eating oodles and noodles and honey buns and watching Netflix and scratching your butt and all that done and pissing in goddamn jugs and shit. Focus on your credit. It's a lot of gurus on there going to show you how to get your credit right. But first, you gotta download them three: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you get that in position, you will pretty much know what it is you have to do. And once you do that, everything will come out good. And also too, man, I'm gonna leave about 2 to 3 links down there. For one, it's gonna be Discover. And another one is going to be for capitalone. They're going to actually pull your credit. They won't pull it. They won't pull it and give you a hard inquiry, right? Because you're not going to put your whole credit, your whole social security number in there. You're only going to put your last 4. They're going to peep it and see if you approve for a line of credit. Because I know a lot of y'all don't have no credit cards. And credit is king out here. So Discover, right? They're gonna peep it to see if you eligible. I know a lot of people, man, that I put this on, man, they got approved for what, 2,500, 1,000, 3,000. One got approved for 5,000. So you get that going, especially if you don't have no credit at all, and especially if you're a foreigner too. Like every foreigner person, just about I talk to, about 75% of the foreigners who actually come over here, they got their green card or whatever they doing, working visa, whatever the case might be, right? They actually get them credit. Like they just like, here goes $3,000. If you're a foreigner, you need to be on this here. It's 2 or 3 links down below. I know it's going to be Discover, and I know it's going to be capitalone, right? Check them out, right? Fill out what you need to fill out, right? And the site, actually, it's a secure site. It's not have nothing to do with me. It's a secure site because I have all them cards. I have over 21 credit cards. I mean, I know the game, but y'all got to start on the game, and I can teach you the rest. But you got to get started. Get up out that bunk, man. Get up out that bunk and do what I told you to do. And I guarantee you, you start looking at life and looking at just things in general just a little bit different. I'm gonna tell you my story. I started from a 580. Now I'm like a 714 now, 715, around there, give and take. Well, your FICO score, you got your Advantage score, 2 different scores, but I'm in between like a 680, 715, give and take any given day. But like I said, I got 21 credit cards, American Express, Discover, Navy Federal, PenFed, Belks card, what else I got? Victoria's Secrets, Children Place card, Burlington card, Lowe's, New York and Company card, Chime, Kick. Man, I can go on and on. I got all type of cards, man. But I started from the ground though. So I want y'all to get right and get that credit right. And then whatever you got to pay off, pay it off. 1.